Okay, hi, my name is Vasee, and this is Marianne. And we brought this dog here, this wonderful dog here, Jutta Shelter, after we found him in our village in Anatoly, and he lived there for many weeks on the street, you can say.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and now he's here, a wonderful character. Wonderful. Huh?
It's young.
Yeah. It's very young.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Πες ότι θα μείνει εδώ το σκύλο.
And now we're gonna leave him here we're gonna bring him to the doctor, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And he gonna-
Take to the vet for the test, the example.
Yeah. And we take him from the street where he can also
Yeah.
come in
Yes.
dangerous situations. But he's a really nice one.
Yes,
Really
yes.
nice dog.
Okay, okay.
And now she's. You take me back.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.